Have you ever wondered what the new Porsche 992 would look like if Nakai San got his hands on one? Well, we won't know for sure until he does. But if you watch this video, you will see what it potentially would have looked like. To start off, I'm removing some parts that looks too modern in my opinion. Next up is the front fenders. Using a circle as a base, I modeled some very wide and round fenders. Many RWB kits features an iconic plastic front lip. I decided to go with a similar look for the 992. The rear fenders is based on the front fenders, but features an iconic twist from the RWB kits, the two-piece fender. A minimalistic side skirt connects the both over fenders. I'm constantly doing small changes here and there to make everything look right together. Time for materials. I'm using the plug-in blender kit to assign the materials to the car. For wheels, I went with some stepped BBS 3-piece rims. The tires are very stretched Toyo Triple RS. Time for some front canards. Looks good. Now let's do some things with the rear and add some more materials. Let's add some pre-made parts to complete the aggressive style. And once again, more materials. Time to add the scene and lights, and finally do the renders. Let's watch the final product. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing. Do you have any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments section.